actually something to watch out for is Marcin Zielinski, the boat who is already on the water on the right side, the white and black, the white and blue one, because that's our fastest boat of the day. But it did not finish the second heat, so it's starting from the back, and we have 30 seconds to the light. And we have the light in 5 seconds. And as you can see, Marcin Zielinski already on second place from the outside. And he is going for Marianne Jung's first place, or is it? Oh, it's Attila Havas on the first place, and it is Marcin Zielinski on the outside, and they almost crash. Very close one for Marcin Zielinski, who had very close for Attila Havas, who had his nose up on the sky. And yes, Marcin Zielinski is leading the race from the first lap pretty much, and it's going crazy between Attila Havas and Milen Marinov. And on the inside, isn't it Erko Abrams? Yes, now it's Erko Abrams going for Attila Havas. Havas is third place. Oh, and Erko Abrams missed the boy. He went in too far, and now he must do one. Well, he must not do, but he will be added one lap or taken away one lap. So yeah, Erko's race is ruined by this small error. That's how harsh the motorsport is. But let's see if Attila Havas has something to answer for Milen Marinov, or does he have to defend for Erko Abrams? Where is Marianne Jung? That's my question, to be honest. It is what it is. And Erko's boat has slowed down. There for sure is some problem with a propeller. Maybe he lost a blade or something, but it is for sure a problem for him. He himself said that he will go and play some bingo with a propeller, so let's see. That might have been a lose for him. And this is number 98, the local hero, the one that the little child screaming for behind me is David Lukotka. Right now on the fourth place. Oh, number 91, Surkov has a little problem for sure with his engine. It's not making the right sound at all. And Marcin Zielinski is capping him also. And looks like David Lukotka is catching up to Attila Havas. The question is if he has enough laps to catch him. Jesus Christ. And looks like David Lukotka is getting closer to Attila Havas. It's probably some nerves cracking for Attila Havas for losing his first place and falling down to third, but he has to now hold on to his third place because David Lukotka is coming for him for sure. And looks like Milen Marinov is also having some troubles. And looks like Attila Havas is going to overtake Milen Marinov. Is it? And I believe it is. Of course, also David Lukotka and Milen Marinov has some serious problems. And David Lukotka also takes over. Yeah, that's a big thing for the locals here that David Lukotka gains a place. But let's see. We have a Finnish flag for Marcin Zielinski, and it is David Lukotka who has turned into Havas. Let's see if he catches him to the finish line, and he is. He's going to catch him. It's side by side, but no, it looks like Attila Havas has that advantage, and it was very close between these two guys. But looks like today the second place goes to Attila Havas, and Lukotka comes down with a third place. Milen Marinov finishes with fourth, and Erko Abrams with fifth place. There are some big names missing from that list for sure. Giuseppe Rossi and Marian Jung and Robert Jens and Chaco also. So it's going to be interesting with the points. We will see you probably in Snin again, and yeah, here you can see the reigning world meister coming down. He won 2 races of the 3, so it will be close, but I believe he has won it because Marian Jung, who won the second heat, did not finish that heat, so I think Marian Jung has lost the lead to Marcin Zielinski. And also David Lukotka, I think, can be pretty pleased with his third place, almost the second place. It's nice to see. But yes, as I say, we will see you in the second round of Hydro GP in Poland, Snin. See you next time.